a country that has a reputation of being outrageously expensive and unsuitable for backpackers, can now be explored on budget. Singapore has been giving a hard time for the budget holiday makers because of its multiple star-rated hotels, swanky malls, costly taxis, and alfresco dining. To help you travel the city island at its best, without digging the hole in the pocket, here are a few interesting ideas. Booking rooms in those posh resorts and hotels could be attractive, but can easily blow your budget. So, choose accommodation in economic hostels in Singapore, like Bunk Hostel and Fisher B&B. These are equipped with free Wi-Fi, free breakfast, reading room and fairly good service, at the price charged. Use the Smart EZ Link card for the intra-city travel that doesn't let the bus-train charges pile up after every ride. It is valid for public transports like LRT, MRT and buses, and offers great discounts, free rides, and charges only for the distance traveled. Unlike other southeastern countries, drinking tap water in Singapore is a safe choice. It is pure and preferable for the travelers who do not want to spend extra on the packaged bottles. From a mix of world cuisine to the authentic local meal, from delicious flavors to extensive varieties, Singapore is a paradise of foodies, and the most reasonable way to indulge in this bliss is the buzzing food courts, halls, and stalls. Save your lot of bucks by breaking up with those lavish restaurants. Set a picnic, laze off, and marvel at the concrete and green skyline of Singapore from the beautiful and well-maintained parks for free. Later, stroll through the networked walkways that would transport you to the next neighborhood. Singapore is dotted with sophisticated malls, loaded with branded stuff. But does that mean you can't shop around? Not at all. Explore the local street markets, which have footwear to attire at dirt cheap rates. Chinatown and Little India are few best cheap places to go on shopping spree and bargain like crazy. Free things are tempting, especially when it's the extravagant city of Singapore. Visit free markets. Watch the open-air movies. Trek on southern ridges and fly kite around Marina Barrage without spending a coin. We are sure these tips will give you ease in budget planning to Singapore. Contact Rhina Tours for booking a hassle-free trip to the destination at unbelievable discounts and money-saving deals.